guys, it's me again, Joseph Manjus, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. Ngayon, nandito kami sa somewhere in Bacon, Sorsogon, and I'm here in the gym. So, ayan, pasok kayo, pasok. Bilis. So, ayan, nandito kami somewhere in a port of Bacon, Sorsogon. So, we are going back to Legazpi. Ayan guys, so kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Hello guys! Hi! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my guys. Hi! Hello po! Ayan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joseph Manjus. Ayan nga, Sorsogon na vibes. Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Thank you so much! Okay, nandito tayo ngayon. So, ayan. Ayan sila guys. Bye-bye! So, nandito na tayo guys. So, pabalik na tayo. And, nanggaling kami doon kay Attorney Bien. Thank you so much, Attorney Bien La Rosa, for accommodating us. And also, and of course, Co-op Not Co-op Party List, thank you so much for having us today and tonight. Nandito pa din kami, ayan. Ayan, ganda-ganda kami. Uy, hindi na talaga ako? Ba't ka na? So, ayun guys, kaway-kaway nandito na kami. Okay lang naman ako din.
Panmulog ka na. Nag-preno yan.
Ayan! Magayon na ako, Didi. Bala ka na sinda dyan. Hello, Arms. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Ayan, thank you for liking and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ayan, pabalik na kami. Update na lang din ako pag nakabalik na kami. So, nandito kami ngayon sa gym. So, nandito ako sa Quezon. Salidan. Salidan. Ayan. So, ayun guys. So, ayun, may mga dawargas natin kami. Somewhere there in Bacon, Sorsogon. Ayan, may tumatawag sa atin guys. Okay, sasagutin ba natin?